Many individuals fear the implications of a potential economic meltdown and hyperinflation, leading to anxiety about job security and savings. With that being said, historically, economies have shown resilience. Learning from past recessions can empower people to adapt and thrive, leveraging skills and resources in innovative ways. Stay tuned as we unpack Warren Buffett's wisdom on potential economic meltdowns and the looming threat of hyperinflation. Warren Buffett's economic philosophy. Warren Buffett's investment strategies are rooted in the principles of value investing and risk management, making them particularly relevant in today's economic climate. At the core of Buffett's philosophy is the idea of buying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and holding them from the long term. This approach not only minimizes risk, but also allows investors to benefit from the compounding growth of their investments over time. Buffett has a remarkable track record of making accurate predictions about market trends and economic shifts. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, he famously advised investors to remain calm and focus on quality investments, a strategy that ultimately paid off for many. His ability to foresee economic downturns and recoveries has solidified his reputation as a savvy investor who understands the intricacies of the market. In light of current economic conditions, including rising inflation and the potential for hyperinflation, Buffett's philosophy becomes even more significant as prices soar and uncertainty looms. His emphasis of value investing serves as a reminder to look for solid companies that can withstand economic turbulence. Additionally, his risk management strategies encourage investors to be cautious and well-informed, ensuring they are prepared for any financial storm that may arise. By exploring Buffett's insights, we can gain a clearer understanding of how to navigate today's complex economic landscape and make informed investment decisions. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Understanding hyperinflation. Hyperinflation is an extreme and rapid increase in prices, often exceeding 50% per month, leading to a significant decline in the purchasing power of currency. This phenomenon typically occurs when the government prints excessive amounts of money to cover debt or finance spending, resulting in a loss of confidence in the currency. Historical examples such as Germany in the 1920s and Zimbabwe in the late 2000s illustrate the devastating effects of hyperinflation. In Germany, people resorted to wheelbarrows full of cash to buy basic goods, while in Zimbabwe, prices doubled almost daily, rendering the currency virtually worthless. The impact of hyperinflation on economies can be catastrophic. It erodes savings, disrupts business operations, and leads to widespread poverty. Individuals find it increasingly difficult to afford necessities, and social unrest often follows as people struggle to cope with the rapidly changing economic landscape. Warren Buffett has consistently warned about the dangers of inflation and the potential for hyperinflation in today's economy. He emphasizes the importance of sound monetary policy and prudent fiscal management to prevent such scenarios. As we witness rising inflation rates and increased government spending, Buffett's insights serve as a crucial reminder of the historical consequences of unchecked monetary expansion. Understanding hyperinflation not only helps us grasp the potential risks we face today, but also underscores the importance of making informed financial decisions in uncertain times. By learning from the past, we can better prepare for the future. Signs of economic meltdown. Identifying key indicators of an impending economic crisis is crucial for both investors and consumers. Some of the most telling signs include rising debt levels, increasing inflation rates, and a slowdown in economic growth. When national debt reaches unsustainable levels, it can lead to a loss of confidence in a country's financial stability. Similarly, persistent inflation erodes purchasing power and can signal that the economy is overheating. Warren Buffett has often highlighted these indicators in his discussions about economic health. He warns that when debt levels rise unchecked and inflation begins to spiral, it can create a perfect storm for an economic meltdown. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, excessive debt in the housing market and rising foreclosures led to a catastrophic collapse that affected economies worldwide. Looking back at past economic meltdowns, we can see how these indicators played a role. The Great Depression of the 1930s was preceded by rampant speculation and rising debt, while the hyperinflation in Germany during the Weimar Republic was fueled by excessive money printing and economic instability. Today, as we observe rising debt and inflation rates, it's essential to heed Buffett's warnings and consider the implications of these economic signals. By understanding these indicators, we can better prepare ourselves for potential challenges ahead and make informed decisions to safeguard our financial futures. Recognizing the signs of an economic meltdown can empower us to act before it's too late. Buffett's response to economic challenges. Warren Buffett's ability to adapt his investment strategies in response to economic downturns has been a hallmark of his success. During times of crisis, Buffett emphasizes the importance of diversifying investments to mitigate risk. By spreading investments across various sectors and asset classes, he reduces the impact of any single economic event on his overall portfolio. This approach not only provides a safety net, but also positions him to capitalize on opportunities that arise during turbulent times. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, Buffett made headlines by investing in companies like Goldman Sachs and Bank of America when their stock prices plummeted. His willingness to buy into these financial institutions at a discount demonstrated his confidence in their long-term recovery and showcased his strategy of identifying undervalued assets during market turmoil. Buffett's adaptability is a crucial lesson for investors. He understands that economic conditions are constantly challenging, and being rigid in one's investment approach can lead to missed opportunities. By remaining flexible and open to adjusting his strategies, Buffett has consistently navigated through economic challenges while achieving remarkable returns. In a world where uncertainty is the only constant, embracing adaptability in investing is essential. Buffett's experiences remind us that crises can also present unique opportunities for growth. By learning from his strategies, investors can better prepare themselves to weather economic storms and emerge stronger on the other side. Preparing for hyperinflation. As the threat of hyperinflation looms, it's essential for individuals to take proactive steps to safeguard their financial well-being. One effective strategy is to invest in assets that traditionally hedge against inflation, such as real estate, commodities, and precious metals like gold and silver. These investments tend to retain the value or even appreciate during inflationary periods, providing a buffer against rising prices. In addition to diversifying investments, enhancing financial literacy is crucial. Understanding how inflation affects purchasing power and the overall economy can empower individuals to make informed decisions. Creating a solid financial plan that includes budgeting, saving, and investing can help mitigate the impact of inflation on personal finances. This plan should also account for emergency savings to cover unexpected expenses during economic uncertainty. Staying informed about economic trends is another vital aspect of preparation. Regularly following financial news, market analyses, and experts' opinions can help individuals anticipate changes in the economic landscape. By being aware of inflation indicators and government policies, you can adjust your financial strategies accordingly. Encouraging viewers to take these steps not only prepares them for potential hyperinflation but also fosters a proactive mindset towards financial management. By investing wisely, enhancing financial literacy, and staying informed, individuals can navigate the complexities of an inflationary environment with confidence. Remember, preparation is key, and taking action today can lead to greater financial security tomorrow. If you want to know more about the path to prosperity, check out the video here and see you there.